What's going on, you guys? Mathew here, back with another video, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I upload travel and food vlogs from around the world. As of recording this video, I have been to 15 different countries. I have been to Hong Kong, Singapore, China, the United Arab Emirates, Australia, Japan, Indonesia, the Netherlands, Germany, Belgium, France, the United States, South Korea, the United Kingdom, and Ireland. So join me in my goal to visit every country in the world, and please support my YouTube channel by subscribing to my channel and sharing my channel with your family and friends. And you can also click on the notification icon so you will be notified every time I upload a video so that you will not miss any of the videos that I upload. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.